What's up guys, Abod here, and this is Whilelab YouTube channel, and here we are with day 27 of 30 days of code, and today's video is about testing. So this problem is all about unit testing. Long story short is one of your coworkers, okay, have written this method. If I would just see this, okay, your coworker have written this, and you are required to write those tests to make sure that his function works correctly. So HackerRank have already written everything here that would compare your expected results with the function results. Let's close this. Okay, as you can see here, the first thing is, here's the specifications. Get array method in class test data empty array has to return an empty array. So let's jump in. Test data, exactly, no, this one. Let's close this. Test data empty array should return an empty array. So we return an empty array. We could do it like this, and we could do it like this, whatever you wish. I'll do it like this. Right, then test data with unique values. You should return a list of 2 or more numbers, and all numbers should be unique. So here we should return, let's say 5, 9, 14, 23, and then in the get expected result, here you return the index of the smallest number. So here I could say return 0, because 5 is the smallest number in this list. Then here test data exactly 2 different minimums. Here what we do is get an array. You would return an array, and it should have 2 minimum numbers. So for example 8, and then for example 5, 23, and 8. Now in this scenario, what you would return is the smallest index, which is this index. The index of this number is 0, the index of this number is 3, because we go 0, 1, 2, 3. So you'd return the smallest index and the smallest number. Sorry, it's 5. Okay, sorry. If I change it to 5 to 9, so the 8 would be the smallest number, and then here get expected result, we would return the smallest index of the smallest number. So we have the smallest number is 8, and the smallest index is 0, which is this 8. So it return 0, and that should be it. So let's run the code and see. Perfect. Let's submit the code. Oops. Congratulations guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button for more videos, and press that like button if you like the video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out.